A trust is a legal arrangement that holds assets for the benefit of others. Let's break down how this tool actually works. At the core of every trust is a fiduciary relationship, meaning someone is legally required to act in the best interest of the beneficiary. There are three main parties involved: the person creating the trust, the person managing it, and the person receiving the assets. People use trusts to dictate exactly how and when their assets are distributed, often to bypass the public court process known as probate. While a will serves as a map for your assets after death, a trust can manage those assets both during your life and after. Trusts are generally more expensive and complex to establish than a simple will, reflecting their greater legal and administrative utility. Remember that these tools are flexible and can be customized to fit your specific family needs and financial goals. Consult with a qualified estate attorney or tax professional to see if a trust is right for your situation. See you next time.